What's going on, everyone? I hope you're all well. Today, I'm not sure what we're doing because I've pre-recorded this, so it could be anything. So why don't we just head over to the table and find out what it is. Well, today it's a quick one and we're going to show you how to line a springform tin. I've done a video on this before, but it's a bit long-winded, so we're going to cut straight to the chase here. All you're going to need is a piece of greaseproof paper or silicone paper if you've got it, a springform tin, and a sharp knife. So, to get this tin lined, take the top of your springform and use that as a guide to create the strips of paper to line the outside edge. So we're just using our knife to make a little mark here, fold over the paper, and do this twice, and we're going to create two little rectangles. We're going to use these to line the outside edge of our tin. Use your sharp knife to cut through the folds you've just made, and you should end up with two identical rectangle strips. Then, with this square piece of paper left over, we're going to line the base of our tin. So take the base of the springform, lay the paper over the top, no trimming or cutting necessary, push the top directly down onto the paper, and then clip it shut. And that's it, the base lined in little to no time at all. Then use those rectangle strips to line the outside edges, and your springform tin is lined. That's it, that's all it takes. Next to no time, and you're ready to go and bake your cakes. Have you got a quicker method? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this recipe, let me know by hitting the thumbs up down below. And if you're new here and you like what you see, why not consider subscribing as well? If you like this video, head over to my channel. I've got tons of them that you're gonna love. And if you like your recipes written down nice and neatly for you to follow, head over to my website and you'll find them there. Links are in the description down below. Hit me up on Instagram or Facebook. I love to see what you guys are getting up to. I will see you in the next one.